Hello children, welcome back to my channel Online Physics Class by Niharika. So children, we are meeting after so long. I'm sorry for that. I know I was getting so many messages from you all that ma'am you continue with the chapters, but due to some sort of problem I wasn't able to do that. But now I'm going to continue and I will be regular for you all. So class 7th, welcome back once again, and now we are going to continue same series of the chapter for class 7, that is chapter 5, heat. I'll start because rest of the other chapters are already I have made the video. You can check my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Okay, now children, we are going to start with chapter 5, heat. Okay, now what do you understand by heat? What is heat? Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Can you see heat? क्या आप heat को देख सकते हैं? No, you can't see heat. Why? Because it is a form of energy. Now my next question is, how does heat transfer? Okay, the first thing is, I hope it is clear that what is heat, children? Heat is a form of energy. Heat क्या है? It is a form of energy. Can you see heat? No, you can't see heat. Only you can have a sensation of heat. That is, either you can feel if something is very hot, due to that, okay, you will have that sensation, or if something is less hot, due to that you will have that sensation of coldness. Okay, so heat is a form of energy which you can't see. Okay, now if I talk about how does heat transfer. So heat transfer from a body at a higher temperature, to a body at lower temperature. मतलब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि हीट कैसे ट्रांसफ़र करती है? हीट हमेशा, सपोज टू बॉडीज आर देयर, okay, one at 32 degrees Celsius and other at 12 degrees Celsius. So which body is which body has more temperature? This body has more temperature, that is body A as comparison to body B. But if somehow we make a physical contact of both these bodies, or if we bring both these bodies together, so in from which to which direction heat will transfer? Heat will transfer from body A to body B. Means from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. हमेशा याद रखना कि हीट कहाँ से कहाँ ट्रांसफ़र करती है. If you bring one hot body and one cold body in contact with each other, so heat always transfer from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. और ये कब तक ट्रांसफ़र करेगी? जब तक दोनों बॉडी क्या हो जाए, दोनों बॉडी का टेम्परेचर सेम हो जाए. जैसे ही दोनों बॉडी का टेम्परेचर सेम हो जाएगा, मतलब दोनों बॉडी किस कंडीशन में आ जाएंगे? इक्विलिब्रियम. इक्विलिब्रियम मतलब दोनों बॉडी का टेम्परेचर सेम है, बैलेंस है, बराबर है. ठीक है, तब तक दोनों के बीच में हीट ट्रांसफ़र होगा. और कहाँ से कहाँ तक? फ्रॉम अ बॉडी एट हायर टेम्परेचर टू अ बॉडी एट लोअर टेम्परेचर. आई होप दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. सो what is heat? Heat is a form of energy, okay, and which transfers from body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature. Okay, until what time heat get transfer? Till both the body attains the same temperature. heat तब तक transfer करेगी जब तक दोनों body का temperature क्या हो जाए? Same हो जाए. Now if we talk about unit of heat, okay, so heat की SI unit होती है joule. Joule is the SI unit of heat which is represented by J. Okay, so SI unit, अगर आपके एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है SI unit, स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट क्या होती है? जूल होती है. What other units are there to measure the heat? कैलोरी. जूल के अलावा और कौन सी यूनिट होती है? कैलोरी. ओके, और यू कैन से किलो कैलोरीज, कैलोरी और किलो कैलोरी. ओके, so these are the unit, but you have to remember the SI unit for measuring the heat, that is joules. I hope this is clear. Now you have to remember one more relation, that is 1 kilocalorie. 1 kilocalorie, okay, 1 kilocalorie, that is 1 kcal. 1 kcal is equals to 1000 calories. ओके 1000 कैलोरीज. 1 किलो कैलोरी में कितने कैलोरीज होते हैं? 1000 कैलोरीज. वन मोर थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, 1 कैलोरीज, 1 कैलोरी में कितने जूल्स होते हैं? इन 1 कैलोरी इट हैज़ 4.186 joules, right? So you have to remember this thing. I hope you will remember this thing. Now if I talk about sources of heat, so that I'll carry in the next lecture. So okay children, from sources of heat, so kindly watch these videos, and the other videos of the remaining chapters are given in the playlist. Kindly check my YouTube channel. Thank you class. Okay, and this series will be continued. Do watch.